Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm so happy to have you here today. In this episode, we'll explore useful and simple phrases that you can use in everyday conversations. These phrases are perfect for beginners, so don't worry if you're just starting. If you listened to our previous episode, you already learned how to introduce yourself and start a conversation. Today, we'll build on that and explore even more useful phrases to help you feel confident when speaking English. Let's start with greetings. Saying hello is the first step to starting a conversation. Here are some simple greetings. Hi, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Good morning is used in the morning, good afternoon in the afternoon, and good evening is for later in the day. When you see a friend or someone you know, you can greet them in a friendly way. Hey, how's it going? Hi there. Long time no see. Hello. How have you been? These greetings help start a natural conversation. Try practicing them out loud. After saying hello, it's common to ask how someone is feeling. You can say, how's your day going? How have you been? What's new? How's everything? These are friendly ways to ask about someone's well-being and show interest in their day. Most of the time, people will answer briefly, I'm good, thanks. I'm doing well. How about you? Not bad. Thanks for asking. Try using these phrases when speaking with someone. Conversations often begin with simple greetings like these. Sometimes you might need help with something, and it's good to know how to ask politely. Here are some useful phrases. Could you help me with this? Can I ask you a question? Excuse me, could you help me find... I'm sorry. Can you help me? If someone offers to help, you can respond with, yes, please. That would be great. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Adding please and thank you makes your request sound friendlier and more polite. If someone needs help, you can offer assistance with, sure, I can help you. No problem, I'll help you. I'm happy to help. Let me know if you need anything. These phrases show kindness and willingness to help. Small talk is when you talk about simple, casual topics like the weather or someone's day. It's a great way to keep conversations going. Here are some phrases. What's the weather like today? It looks like it's going to be sunny. Do you like the weather here? Another small talk topic is hobbies. You can ask, what do you like to do in your free time? Do you have any hobbies? What are you interested in? These are easy ways to start conversations with new people. If someone asks you about your hobbies, you can answer, I like reading books. I enjoy playing sports. My favorite hobby is cooking. Think about your own hobbies and how you would answer these questions in English. Now let's talk about different ways to say goodbye. When ending a conversation, you can say goodbye, see you later, take care, talk to you soon, it was nice talking to you. These phrases are commonly used when leaving. If you want to be more informal, you can say, see ya. Catch you later. Take it easy. Let's practice. Imagine I say, it was nice talking to you. You can reply with, see you later. Try using these in real conversations. Sometimes you'll need to ask for directions or information. Here are some useful questions. Where is the nearest bus stop? How do I get to the train station? Can you tell me where the bathroom is? Is there a restaurant nearby? If you want to be extra polite, you can say, "Excuse me, could you tell me where the nearest pharmacy is?" If someone helps you, don't forget to say, "Thank you so much. I really appreciate it." These small gestures make a big difference. Today we covered greetings and saying hello, asking how someone is doing, asking for and offering help, making small talk, saying goodbye, asking for directions. These phrases will help you in everyday conversations. The key to learning English is practice. Try using these phrases with friends or even by talking to yourself in the mirror. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn. That's all for today's episode. Thank you for listening. I hope you've learned some useful phrases that you can use in your next conversation. Keep practicing and don't forget to join us next time for more English lessons. Have a great day and see you in the next episode.